Kublai P. Baro, Kani Kadai Kadodashan Meghalaya, Bani Pdang Subhai P. Baro, Shakatup Kubor Mentaga Janbit, Shwaban Pai, Shaki Kubor Gibabania, in a Petchua Yakimat Bakongsan. Kta Kajingjer Uslap, but Jingsha Upria, Ya Kandai Spa, Sapo Kandai Wood, but South Spa, Prapulai Taliki Ying, Haki Nyotalik District Meghalaya. Keno kaseng NPP, ya kaseng Kongres, bakal pendan kam dakanyam, harilom garo banpan jingkersya na kinong tewud, kermen skem bandang yaibat ya kesyuki hatura. Yo ki kena puli bayakun ya ke eksamen NEET undergraduate arajar apusau da gajing kali babakla ladawa ban penyelek biang ya ke eksamen na ke National Testing Agency. But on kontop lang ke sorga jela ya ki senong kitau ha kaban yakun persya ya udrong. Kikubor kibabnya. Hadu kendai spa sabho kendai ngut kinong shangnong, but south spa san pulai teli ki yeng ha ki nyau teli ki district ka Meghalaya. Kila syakta hadian ke jingcur palat uslap ha kini ki arsengi balala. Menteri Ketenat Revenue and Disaster Management uba kermen syala. Hendai kesngi ulayatu bagi jingtei kum ki skol bat ki yeng mani kila syak penjulor. Layo jingtip ru ba ha kesngi ningkong kumba shipho teli kishnang kila syakta ha uslap bajur. Hadu menta om syamladan bamensau ha keleng gejela bat Ketenat State Disaster Response Force kalala ban pitngor.
Roughly 949 numbers, which are some under assessment, and number which we already got is 949. But sad to see there are some infrastructure also has been damaged, like schools, church, and even the other infrastructure.
Menteri Rangba ka Meghalaya, Konrad Sangma, ulaong baka sarkar kalapen kala yigijing betha ban ai jing arab ikibriu ki basyakta ha kajing lengshop kamariang. Konrad Sangma ulaong ba kajing betha kabarim kasya ban sam tang ya ukhaw bat kiwei ki marbam bat na du balapen kala yigijing betha lala ru ban sam ya ki tin sab yeng. La ai bor yaki deputy commissioner bakin shim la ki jong kijing ken bat ban ai jing arab shekibriu. La ru ban ong ba hadu shi hajar ngut kibriu ha ki nyotali ki district ha Meghalaya kila syakta na gajingcur uslam.
There were many houses that got damaged in different districts. About 7 districts were affected and about 400 plus houses were damaged. And immediately I have asked the administration and the departments to provide the relief material to the houses, and the process has started, and different kind of relief materials including CGI sheets also are now being given to the households that were damaged.
Kacingcur palat uslap, rengkat kacing ther upria, kalapenjulor yakatan West Khasi Hills District. Kiyeng ki basop de kitin kila pei thliu lut na kacing hap upria, bat kicing thung cing tep kila sniu lut. Latap ya kedur khamat jang kinong rep, da kacing sengusi, naba kila khmi lenti, ya kila jing arab, na ka sarkar ban yarab yaki na kani kacing du bakraw. Kishnong ki bala syakta kilong, kan nong kulung rim, chaido, mau thung per sedli bat ki wek kishnong ki bahab hapo katain rambrai ki he na ka office u BDO nong ston ki la her mar shakini kishnong ban khmi bat ban shim jingkhen kaseng NPP kala keno ba kaseng Kongres kala pendan kam dakanyam harilom garu hakani ke election Lok Sabha padang shudepshen hatura Kapati kelas nguskem bah pedeng ki buit ke Kongres ke NPP kandang bat ya kisuki natura. Menteri ke NPP Marcus and Marak ula keno bakaseng kongres kala pen ki durki balarim halor ka ching sha thang ki yeng mani bat ki kristan kila sha le ben bat dei na kani ka daw baki patba kila sngotieng ha ka ba kila kila ban jet no ya ka seng kongres umarak ula benru ya ka president ka seng kongres ka Deborah Marang ka bala shim ba upurno akitok sangma lembat ke yeng kasem kim shem lala le ai ban kim tiu ya garilom garo menta la saupho nyosnam.
And forgetting about the contribution that PS Amma has given to the state of Meghalaya. I'm really sorry for her. Anybody you ask PS, everybody knows that whatever PS Amma has contributed is known for everyone here in our state. Even in Garo Hills also, so much has been done from his side. And I would say he was the face for us.
Ki kena puli ki banya kun ya ka examine national eligibility come entrance test NEET undergraduate arhajar arposau Haribohai district kilas ngaulengo habalaya thu eki dai kinong pej bala ai haki dai gi jingkali babakla hadien shikanta bakila shang bantho ya ka examine jangki kabala long lai kanta katkum ki kena puli kilayo pediang ya gi jingkali bat kilas dang bantho ya ki jubab Henry hadien shikanta shiteng layathu eki de kinong pej baka we ge jingkali ka long ka babakla bat ki khna puli kem dei ban tho ya ge jingkali ka babakla
tho lang baro at ngir ngi tho lang baro at ke ong bakan shai bat bang tho biang se shisin namar khnang bang su tho ya ka balaj bat ka bade
लोगों ने इन्विजिलेटर ने पहले 2 पेपर दिया 2 क्वेश्चन पेपर फिर हम लोगों ने पूछा कि ये 2 क्वेश्चन पेपर से कौन सा करना है तो उन लोगों ने बोला कि हमें नहीं पता हमें बस उतना इंस्ट्रक्शन मिला है कि दोनों करना है
का सरकार मेघालय kala rai ban kenthop lang ya kishnong ki thau ha ka ban ya khun persha ya udrop mentri katanat social welfare iba polling do ila pentep ba ka sarkar kala la ban rung hashnong maulai ha ka ba ka town dorbar maulai kala ais ngau bhaya shilang khat ka jaka bantei ya ka rehabilitation center bat ya ka counseling center na ka benta ki brio ki ba shakta ha drop la ban ka dawru ba ka sarkar dangshen kala khot lang ya ka sinchuk kinong penyaj balang ha ka ban ya khun persha ya ka jing pendan kam ya drop ha ka jela
formula whereby we involve the community on a larger scale in anti-drugs operations. One major area where we have been able to penetrate into is Maulai. The town Dorbar has come forward and has offered a plot of land on which we will be building facilities for rehabilitation of drug addicts and also counseling centers.
Kachinjona Sport Club paham sim kala penlong ya ka program pen sapreng jing tip halor ke jingkerni di drog ha paham sim community hall kapang pedeng kalong break chains the battle against drugs la pen sedang ya ka program daga jing mare thong ka basau kilometer na saiden bat la pen kut pat chadu paham sim ha ka ba lawan ya shimbenta da saus pa ngut haba ai jingkren iba meban tariang na ka kripa foundation representative ila banjur halor ka jing pendan kam bat ka jing sniu jong udrok kabala ban kta ya ka bor perkhat bat kiwe kit khot met hadien habut Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi Hills u Ritu Raj Ravi henne kasngi ula pentep bagi pulit kila dep le ya ka kam ban penrung kerteng ya ka mukot duma le dusman da ka ba pentep bahadu menta ompat lap ik badan kti ha kani ka kam habakali bakani ka kam dusman kadan benta ni em bat ka jingja ha ichamati u Ravi ula ong bagi pulit kemla ban batai ai Henry kan long ka badang kloi ban ong ai halor kani ya menta Uravi shu ula ong bagi jing di kutia ya ka petrol ladap ban penbet thamai hadien ka hukum na udisi ula benrap bagi pulit kila penjur ya ka jing pahara hasilong hadien bagi kam le dusman kila jia na kapor syakapor
it from all possible angles. Yes, the DC has already issued order on that behalf. We have done it from the day these incidents came into light and came into effect, and we are ensuring and we are working overtime to make sure that no further attacks of such nature take place.
Kinong yalam jong ka snong sherwang benta ka sngi haringkat kinong shong snong jong ka kenshi pelun kila penramjur halor ka jing bom yap ya arngut kirang ba ha ka lai tarik mentau benai kini ki arngut kirang ba kidei ki babella ha ka snong sherwang pausi kila syak bom ha upat ba halor ka jing keno bagi don keti ban bat bor
para saudara snong long ini bani som setir halang jong kari hadirin mengapun saudara, mohon saudara.
Usambut Chief Executive Member jangka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council uba pensngan NCM ula pentip bagi daw bakongsan hadian kecing bamla ke council bantai ke market complex hayau mau kerwat South West Khasi Hills District kadai na kadaw kecing bom biang kecing trilang hapding kisankur kitrai kendau jong kani kejaka hakakat pratrik ubenai naiwing arhajar khan riu usim ubadai UCM barim ke KHEDC ula pli pat ba ya mau nongrim bantai ya ke market complex hamau kerwan
ki mau nongrim bayadai bat ke market hamau kerwan ngatapi sutu ba ki jinglong ya bat kendau bat siap hangne ki fair ki don ki tu ki bagi ong ki kendau san kur te gajinya tungku hang yang tai gajing bom ya bet ya biang te nang tau ka hatu por ka penlong bahkan simpor no to skim bat bagin haban rano sewi le sing la badom no nama kadon gajing bom ya bet ya biang bah hapo kasan kur
mentangin ya pet ikicing long jing man kasun beneng hanong ba shelong kecing shit kalong arpo degree Celsius bat kecing kriat kalong khat ar point khandai degree Celsius kecing sngam ka hau kalong henriu pho na ka shispa men step bat khandai pho henriu na ka shispa janmit kecing hap slap kalong not point pra millimeter kala bandon kecing hap slap ka ba malumala hakikat tu ka ni kijaka Shwaban poi syaka bakut jong katuk kubor yin pet biang sashisin yakimat bakongsan kecing jur uslap bat jing syo upria ya khandai spa sapo khandai ngut bat sau spa prapulai teli ki yeng haki nyau teli ki district Meghalaya keno kaseng NPP ya kaseng Kongres ba kala pendankam da kanyam harilum garo ban pancing kersyan na kinong tebut kermen scam bandang yai bat ya kesyuki hatura Yok ki kena puli bayakun ya ke eksamen NEET undergraduate arajar arposau da ke jingkeli babakla la dawa ban penyele biang ya ke eksamen na ke National Testing Agency Bat an kan thop lang ka sarkar jalai ki snang ki thau ha ka ban yakun persya ya udram Te paralong katungila poi syaka bakut jong kathop kubor jengi menta ga janmiet hadu bangin daya syembiang bat pi la syai kesngi kublai pi baro